Welcome to the lodge, and today we're going to give you a little bit of an update about our stink bug trap. Okay, after night number 1 of the new stink bug trap, we're going to see what we have in the pan. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will call this a success. Well, we've had a successful night number 2 with our stink bug trap. Looks like we have about 7. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've done 7. So that's 14 total in 2 days. Not too bad. Our infestation isn't horrible here. You look slightly next to it, you'll see 1 or 2 on the floor. They probably flew away while the nerve agent was working. And we're going to call it good. All right, this is day number 3, and we've got a little bit of an update with our stink bug trap. It's actually been quite successful. If you come down to the trap, this is what it looks like. And we've actually got 7 stink bugs in the trap. But as you look at the floor going up to the trap, and it's kind of hard to see, we've probably got 1, 2, 3, got 4 more dead ones that kind of tried to get away and didn't do so well. We got 1 up there that hasn't found the trap yet, so we'll see how he does. And overall, I'm going to call this a success. Again, we'll leave in this video also a little bit of information about the prior video on assembly and a parts list for what this takes. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Lodge. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about it. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video. Please take a moment to read it before you make any buying decisions.